layout. I love it. I am going to introduce the upcoming January 2023 Fox Box. Oh my goodness, it's amazing. So you get happy stories, a little blue sweater, the word snapshot, these trees, winter warming, and 2 cups of cocoa with the whipped cream on top. How cute is that? Oh my goodness, so awesome. Also in the shop, this is not part of the Fox Box. This is a separate thing. It is for a separate purchase, I should say, for New Year's. So it's got 2 champagne bottles that say 2023, 2 champagne corks, 4 champagne glasses, and this word that says celebrate the season. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And I'm using Hip Kit Club Keep It Cozy, and this was from like December 2020, and I have been hoarding it because I love it so much. So I just took a couple pieces of scrap paper and I'm just gonna lay them down. So let me get my ATG and I will show you. Just take your scraps and make a little layout. Photos of myself and my cousins, so maybe right here and right here. I'm trying to decide if I want some space in between or if I want the 2 of them right next to each other like that. I think I might do that. Have it coming so this shows a little bit and it's on the branding strip a little bit, and make sure that they're centered together. All right, and then I have this circle. I was thinking about tucking it in here, like coming off the corner of this a little bit. And then I originally thought this, but it was too peach. Maybe we'll use it. And then take this journaling card, this journaling bits, and just kind of maybe slide it in here just a little bit. A little something. Not like I'm going to stick anything in there, but I just thought it was cute. And then we'll put snapshots here, and then I'm going to take, I think there's little alphas in here. Let's see. Ooh, that's the perfect color. And put like family snapshot. I'm going to look through all of this ephemera and chipboard that I have from the collection. Alright, my friends, I have everything glued down. I ended up coming in with just a tad bit more stenciling, and I put a very light stencil on that side of the paper. I tried to take off a little bit of the blackened edges because I sort of regret doing that, but I think it still looks good. So let's do some clusters. I picked out a bunch of stuff. I am going to get my glue bottle here and put the word my favorite there. Don't tell the rest of my cousins. But he and I are very close, and it's more like we're brother and sister than cousins. So I'm going to put my favorite there. It's just a little ephemera piece. And then every time we go to his house, he has like he made a barn into like a party room with a bar and a jacuzzi and stuff. We always play music, so I kind of wanted to put this puffy sticker in there that has a record on it. Let's put this flower in here somewhere. There's just a little bit. I'm going to cover up where the papers don't hit each other, and then just put in a little record here. Cute. And then maybe a couple leaves. I think if they look good. There's a little fussy cut snowman from one of the pattern papers. I'm just going to tuck him right in there. And down here, I want to make a little something. It's going to be a big old cluster because I want to cover up this blackened edge of this paper. So I'll show you how to do that. If you do something that you don't like, you don't have to throw your paper away. Just go ahead and cover it up with something. So let's see. I do like this because I want to get some black in here to go with the snapshot perspective. And we'll just go ahead and do this. And look at these super cute houses. Chipboard. put one right here because we were at his house and we were in there during winter. And I just put powder on the back of all of these so I could audition them. And this one, how cute, right? Just gonna sneak him in underneath that one. Kind of have them next to each other. Put some glue under there. Okay, and then I have a tree. I don't know if I can get this tree in there. Oh, that looks cute tucked in like that too. I've got this piece of ephemera. Maybe we can put that in there, make that a little bit bigger. And here's this. There, now that's covered up, and here is a beautiful silver foiled snowflake. It's a piece of chipboard. Put that right there. Okay, cute. All right, now let's come in and do something over in here. I have these cute little houses. This is also fussy cut from a piece of the pattern paper. I'm putting a lot of houses on here because we were at his house and I think it's appropriate. And this was in 2021, last winter, so I am going to put that there so we know when it was. And this collection also came with those bows. Usually they're fabric bows. These ones are made out of paper. Just gonna put a bow right there if I can get it to stay. There, and then I have leaves and another little fussy cut snowman and a flower and some snowflakes and a tree. So let's just go ahead and put that down because I like it. And then let me see, what can we do? I only want a tiny bit of this pink flower peeking out over here. So let's see how I can get it in there. All right, that looks pretty good. Snuck in like that. Okay, put some glue in there. And then I think I'm going to sneak this tree in here too. Chipboard tree, it's so pretty. My little snowman can go right there. I want to put a couple of these really pretty snowflakes around. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and do that. These are chipboard. And I'm going to get some bling out here. Of course I am. I'm going to put some pink fresh gems on here. These kinds. So let's just do a couple together and then I'll finish the rest off camera. So usually I will just scatter them around, and what shall we do? Let's put some here. 1, 2, and 3, and then I'll get my gem picker. Pick some up with my finger, put them over here, see what sizes I want. Oh, good, I picked good sizes. So we'll put one here, and turn this one around. Hopefully get that on the right side, and put one there. Aren't they pretty? I love them. I'm going to show you up close. I'm sure you've seen them before if you've seen my channel because I use them all the time, especially during Christmas. Okay guys, I have all these little gems all over the place, and then I found these in the pack and I was like, maybe we should put some of these out somewhere. So I put one there and I liked it. So I'm going to go ahead and put some more down just to fill things in. It says, these are my people. I love that. Oh my goodness. So grateful for you around the house. That's good. maybe we can do that. And so grateful for you. So this one says around the house. Put that there. And then so grateful for you. We'll put this here. And then these are my people. We will put here. All right, I think that's good. So I definitely love this snapshot perspective. Look how gorgeous it is. So pretty. So there you go, guys. Little close up for you. All right, I will put pictures at the end, and I will put a link to all of the products from Bramble Fox that I used in the description box below. I hope that you like this. I will see you again soon. Bye.